Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine and safe. So in today's video, I'm gonna do a Nykaa haul. There was a huge sale going on Nykaa from 25th to 27th of July. So in that period, I have repurchased the products which I used to use. Some of the products are the ones which I wanted to try since very long, but then I was waiting for this sale. किनभने सेलमा अलिकति भए पनि कम्ती प्राइसमा पाउँछ. So I'm going to show you guys whatever I have purchased from Nykaa without wasting any further time. Let's get started. Product which I'm going to show or which I have ordered is this kajal or eyeliner or a sketch liner from Maybelline Colossal. It's very easy to wear. If you are a person who doesn't have much time for eye makeup, you can surely go for this. Doesn't take much time. It's kind of a sketch, so it's also easy for the ones who wants to draw a wink. So यो चाहिँ एकदमै इजी छ अन्त सुक्नु ड्राई हुनु पनि doesn't take much time, so you can actually go for this. And the price of it was actually 420 rupees, but in discount I got it for 220 rupees. Now the next product which I'm gonna show you is, oh my god, I wanted to try it since very long. I have seen a lot of influencer talking about this, and then यसको एडहरु and सबैतिर देखिरहेको थिए, so I wanted to try it for a long time. So finally I have ordered this one. This is a hair mask from Mamaearth. It's an onion hair mask with onion oil and organic bamboo vinegar. So it's a mask. As you all can see, मेरो पनि कपाल is very rough because I iron it, color गर्छु, घरि change गर्छु, त्यही भएर rough भएको. So try पनि गरे दुईपल्ट try गरिसके, and trust me, it gives really good result. मलाई चाहिँ एकदमै राम्रो लाग्यो. It depends upon your hair and कति जनालाई सुट गर्छ, कति जनालाई गर्दैन. What you have to do is यो चाहिँ यसरी लिएर यसलाई चाहिँ अलिकति फिंगर टिपमा लगाएर अन्त चाहिँ यु नीड टु मसाज के अब जेन्टल मसाज गरेर हैन स्क्याल्पमा गरेर चाहिँ यु जस्ट हैव टु लीव 20 to 15 मिनट्स. मैले चाहिँ 15-20 मिनट्सहरु राखे बिफोर वाशिङ योर हेयर, एन्ड देन त्यसको बादमा चाहिँ वाश इट अफ विथ स्याम्पू एन्ड अ कन्डिसनर, एन्ड आई गट अ रिजल्ट फर्स्ट ट्राई गर्दाखेरि नै, किनभने मेरो अलिकति हेयरहरु अलिक स्मूथ फिल भयो हैन. देन I highly recommend this one. एकदमै राम्रो लाग्यो. And the good news is मैले चाहिँ योसँग चाहिँ I got this one free. Actually the price of it seems is 599. I got it for 509 rupees. त्यसको साथसाथै I got this यो oil free face moisturizer पाए. कतिको भने यसको वर्थ अफ रुपीस 399. योसँग चाहिँ त्यो अफर चल्दै थियो, यो फ्री पायो. सो दिस इज एक्चुअली फर एक्ने स्किनको लागि रहेछ. थ्याङ्क गड मेरोमा चाहिँ एक्ने छैन अहिलेसम्म चाहिँ. सो आइ एम गोना गिभ दिस टु माई ब्रदर होला. ही हेज अ लट अफ एक्ने प्रब्लम्स, सो उसको लागि दिन्छु. एन्ड देन आई ट्राइड अप्लाइङ इट अलिकति हातमा. इट इज एक्चुली फर ऑयली स्किनको लागि राम्रो हुन्छ जस्तो लाग्यो. आई फिल लाइक द्याट यु अल क्यान ट्राई. एक्ने प्रब्लमहरू छ भने चाहिँ यो ममाअर्थको प्रडक्ट चाहिँ पुरा राम्रो हुँदो रहेछ. सो आई ट्राइड यो वाला मास्क ट्राई गरेँ. अब नेक्स्ट आई थिङ्क आइ एम गोना अर्डर यसकै स्याम्पू एन्ड कन्डिसनर अल्सो. सो या दिस वान. I just spoke about acne. So acne को लागि अब acne problem हुनेहरुको लागि प्रोडक्ट को बारेमा कुरा पनि गरिहालौं हैन. So as I already mentioned कि मेरोमा चाहिँ acne problem चाहिँ त्यस्तो छैन, but then my brother has a lot of acne problem since teenage देखिकै होला हो. But then अहिले अलिकति कम्ती भएको छ compared to पहिला. So he used to use त्यो वाउको प्रडक्ट जहाँ चाहिँ फेस वास स्क्रबरहरु के आउँथ्यो, but then it seems like त्यो वाउको प्रडक्ट चाहिँ स्टप भयो. So we were looking for something त्यस्तै खालको प्रडक्ट. So we thought of trying this one. प्रडक्ट चाहिँ खोलेको छु. यो चाहिँ बट्टा चाहिँ यसरी आउँछ. यो चाहिँ कायाको रहेछ. एक्नीको प्रब्लम भएको चाहिँ राम्रो लाग्दैन, दो इट्स नेचुरल, केही पनि हुँदैन. अब एक्नी भयो त भयो, तर पनि अब वी हैव टु टेक केयर अफ इट हैन. माई ब्रदर हेज अलरेडी युज्ड इट ट्वाइस अ थ्राइस. यो स्किन केयर रुटिनै फलो गर्दैछ एन्ड इट गेभ हिम अ गुड रिजल्ट अरे. अन्त आई क्यान गिभ यु अ स्योरिटी कि इट विल वर्क अन यर स्किन बिकज इट डिपेन्ड्स अपन यर स्किन टाइप. सो यसमा चाहिँ स्टेप वाइज प्रडक्टहरू छ. अन्त स्टेप चाहिँ कसरी युज गर्नु भनेर पनि यहाँ मेन्सन गरेको छ. स्टेप 1 2 3 4 4वटा प्रडक्ट्सहरू छ. सो फर्स्ट वान चाहिँ यो क्लेन्जर हो. अब क्लेन्जर अलिकति क्लेन्ज गर्यो यसले फर्स्टमा, दिस वान क्लेन्जर. सेकेन्डवाला चाहिँ यो टोनर छ हैन. यो चाहिँ यु क्यान स्प्रे इट यसरी पनि, नभए चाहिँ यु क्यान टेक वान कटन प्याड अनि त्यसमा स्प्रे गरेर यु क्यान अप्लाई इट लाइक दिस अल्सो. यो सेकेन्डवाला भयो, सेकेन्ड स्टेप भयो. अन्त थर्ड स्टेप चाहिँ यो करेक्टर हो. करेक्टर चाहिँ यस्तो सिरम टाइपको हुँदो रहेछ. यो चाहिँ जहाँ जहाँ त्यो एक्नी प्रब्लम छ नि त्यसमा चाहिँ एउटा ब्रस जस्तो खाले लिपस्टिकको ब्रस खालको छ. यु जस्ट ह्याभ टु अप्लाई त्यो जहाँ जहाँ त्यो एक्नी पिम्पल छ त्यहाँनिर चाहिँ यस्तो यस्तो गरेर अप्लाई गर्नुपर्ने रहेछ. यसमा अप्लाई गर्ने एउटा ब्रस टाइपको भित्रबाट दिएको छ. त्यस वान लास्ट वान यो फोर्थ स्टेप चाहिँ यो नरिसर हो होइन. यो चाहिँ वाट यु क्यान डु इज फिङ्गर टिपमा यस्तो लिएर चाहिँ हल्का मसाज गर्ने. अब जहाँ मजाले स्किनमा होइन मजाले मसाज गरेर चाहिँ एकछिन राख्ने. सो आई थिङ्क इट्स गोना हेल्प यु गाइज. इट डिपेन्ड्स अपन यर स्किन एज वेल. The actual price of it was 1800 rupees, but then discount मा चाहिँ 1300 मै पायो. Not only this, 1300 मा यसको साथमा एउटा मेकअप पाउच रेड वाला कायाखोइ पनि पायो हामीले. So yeah, it's a good deal. So the next product which I have ordered is one of my favorite, and it's a blush from Faces Canada. You all can see यसमा चाहिँ दुईटा शेड छ. एउटा चाहिँ पीच खालके छ and the other one is light brown, and also you get a highlighter. Last वाला चाहिँ highlighter हो. In this palette you are getting 2 blush and 1 highlighter. And if you're looking for an affordable blush, then you can actually go for this. So the next product which I have purchased, I have not purchased it during this discount time, but then I had ordered little before that. This is eye sleeping mask from Laneige. I have seen a lot in Nykaa. यति धेरै eye bag हुन्छ मेरो. If I sleep a lot त्यति बेला eye bag. My biggest problem is my eye bag. I am like fed up भइसकेको. If I don't get a good sleep त्यति बेला पनि eye bag. So it doesn't look good. I think अहिले पनि देखिरहेको छ eye bags. I have tried a lot of products but it doesn't work. So I thought of trying this one. I apply it before sleeping every day and hoping कि मेरो अब अलिकति कम्ती हुन्छ भनेर. But then I couldn't see any result. But then try गर्दैछु. Maybe it will take time. Maybe मेरो skin मा suit नभएको. I don't know. Actually what is the reason, but then yes guys, if you guys know any home remedies or any product for eye bag, then please let me know in the comment section below. I have spent 2000 something for this product. Offer ma pani garina मैले big maybe offer ma भएको भए I could have got it in a less price, but then offer banda agari नै I had purchased it. So I'm not saying that not to buy this one. Maybe it might work on your skin, maybe it's not working on my skin ki I don't know what it is, but then मेरोमा चाहिँ it didn't work, to be honest. So the next product which I'm going to show you is this K Beauty matte time eyeshadow stick. So even this one I had seen a lot of influencers using it, so I wanted it to try it, give it a try. So I ordered this one. So it is in the shade Plush. Actually यसमा चाहिँ it's something like this. It's kind of lip crayon like this. So it's very easy to wear. You all can see यस्तो मजाले blend हुन्छ. So they have different shade in this, different colors हरु देखेको थिए, but then I mostly prefer a nude one. यस्तै browns हरु नै I wear it. So I have ordered this one and also tried it, and it is actually very nice. This one I got in discount for rupees 475 rupees. The next product which I'm going to show you is not for me. This is actually for my mom. If your mom is 40 plus, then I think skin ko take care गर्नु चाहिँ it's very important हैन. अन्त चाहिँ she has been using this Lakme Absolute Youth Infinity for a long time now. I guess it's been almost a year, and आमालाई चाहिँ result चाहिँ पुरा राम्रो लागेको थियो, and then she wanted to repurchase it. 40 plus हरुको लागि या फिर 35 plus हरुदेखिको यो युज गरे भने चाहिँ I think it's very nice, gives a very nice result हैन. Every day use गरे नि. The actual price of it is 895 I guess, but I got it for 595 offer मा चाहिँ. This is a day cream. यसमा चाहिँ night cream पनि छ, so दुईटै युज गरे भने चाहिँ it'll give good results. So या तपाईहरुको ममको लागि you can gift this one or ask them to try this. Products which I'm going to show you is the products which I'm using it currently and I'm repurchasing it. I'm going to show both the products at the same time. These are the ones everyone's favorite. Maybelline, sorry. This is a Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter from Maybelline, everyone's favorite. I feel like सबैजनाकै favorite होला यो because I've seen a lot of people using it. I have created a 5-minute makeup look using this highlighter for a beginners. If you have not watched it, then I'll leave the link in my description. You all can check it. And the MRP of this one is 550 rupees. I got in discount for rupees 357 rupees only. And the other one is Lotus Sunscreen SPF 40. It's also one of my favorite. I have been using it for a long time. I guess from my college days I have been using this one and I will continue to use. So I highly suggest everyone to use this one. And the MRP of it is 395 rupees, but then in discount I got it for 220 rupees. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it, and if you are planning to buy any makeup products, then I hope it's gonna be helpful for you guys. I'll leave all the links in the description box below so you guys can check it. And if you like this video, please do not forget to like this video. If you are watching till now, then please don't leave without liking this video. And if you have any suggestion, then do let me know in the comment section below. You can also follow me in my Insta or in Facebook so that we can stay connected. Thank you for watching. Bye bye, take care.